Hello, and here is your week 6 wrap up on memory. I really enjoyed reading your posts from this week. You hit on a lot of the ideas of independence, self-identity, history that defines you, and fear of change. So if you could find out if you would have some form of dementia later in life, would you? It's a loaded question, and think about it for a minute. If you knew the potential outcomes, would it change the way you live your life today? Would you live in fear? Would you embrace the present? Would it help alleviate fear? So a couple of years ago, I bought myself a 23andMe packet, and they are always looking at different ways that they can use those results. And about a year ago, maybe a little more than that, they came out with the ability to give you a risk factor of developing Alzheimer's. I was faced with that question, what I want to know. For me personally, I made the choice to find out my results just so that I know that I have that in my family history, and would it help me embrace life? So again, think about that question and know that there is some technology out there. Of course, it's not perfect. So on to memory. If you took Lifespan 1 with me, you've already done this experiment. So as a therapist, I constantly work with memories. Our memories define us, they shape us, and how memories are stored is quite amazing. Memories are typically stored by using our sensory experiences. So think about that for a minute. Is there a song that brings you back to a specific point in time? Is there a smell that brings you back to memories of cooking with someone or being present with someone? So one way that they're tapping into memories in nursing homes is using iPods with the residents and loading them with songs that were popular when they were younger to help create comfort and stoke some of those memories. Again, that's a sensory experience. So I want you to think about the word rose for a second and come up with a couple of different words you associate with that word. So what did you come up with? Did you think about a wedding, a funeral, Valentine's Day, school flower fundraisers, prom, a parent, a neighbor that had a flower garden? Did you think of Pete Rose or even the presidential rose garden? So again, just a simple word can bring up many, many, many memories. So if you came up with a word that maybe I didn't mention, add it to one of your discussions or in another place within the comments. All right, have a great week.